Item 5.3, receipt of the draft statements of intent, which are the attachments under the separate cover. Afternoon, Sue.
The purpose of this item is to officially receive the draft statement of intents from our council-controlled organisations and to instruct staff to undertake a review of these documents. So these include the Taupo Airport Authority, the Local Authority Shared Services, Bay of Plenty LAS, Destination Great Lake, Taupo, and the New Zealand Local Government Funding Agency. The Lake Taupo Protection Trust received their draft SOI at their meeting on March 20, and they will be reviewing these under the Local Government Act. So the draft SOIs are received or are due to us by the 1st of March each year. We then review these and provide feedback to the CCOs by the 1st of May. So the draft statement of intents are currently being reviewed by officers, with comments being brought to the April meeting. So based on this, there are two options: to receive the draft statement of intents or to not receive them. And to receive these fulfills Council's requirements under the Local Government Act. So I'll now leave it with you.
Yes, Councillor Park.
This is probably a question more so for Councillor Rankin or Councillor Jollins with the TAA. I just noticed under the capital expenditure forecast, it's got CapEx will be required for planning infrastructure to development, but it doesn't actually allude to the luggage area or, I mean, as council we've put money into the annual plan for car parking, but it just seems that the TAA aren't taking that into consideration of what they may need to provide for that.
So through the Chair, in response to Councillor Park, we've got a major strategic discussion with the TAA shortly, and a lot of those discussions will be held, but we felt it prudent at this stage to signal in the statement of intent that there would be some expenditure and activity, but we don't have the scope of that yet until we've done the strategic session.
Great, thank you.
Councillor Cousins.
Through the Chair, Councillor John, so will we be privy to that, the contents of that discussion? Won't be at one of your normal meetings, will it? It'll be a meeting will take place separately, is that correct?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, as Councillor Rankin and I, your representatives, will certainly bring back that information to you, and it will have to come through the process as well.
Thank you.
Any further discussion, queries? A mover for the motion?
I'll move.
Thank you. And Councillor Cousins? Thank you. All those in favour? Aye. Thank you. Carried.